Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make a healthy and delicious avocado shrimp salad. All the ingredients and measurements are in the link right below this video. Ripe Hass avocados, red onion, flat leaf parsley. You can substitute cilantro if you don't have parsley. Tomatoes. I'm using some cherry tomatoes and grape tomatoes. You can definitely use large tomatoes. For the dressing, we'll use lemon juice, orange juice, olive oil, and mustard. Dijon, brown mustard, any kind of mustard is fine. To season the shrimp, garlic powder, salt, and ground black pepper. Use fresh or frozen shrimp for this recipe. I'm using frozen, that's why I have it set in a colander over a bowl to thaw. This is about 1 pound or 450 grams of large shrimp, 31 to 40 count. You can of course buy the shrimp without the tails on, but I had the ones with the tails, and it just takes about 2 minutes to take all the tails off a 1 pound shrimp. It's very quick. Oh, missed one. Especially if your shrimp are frozen and thawed, make sure to dry it with paper towels. Season with the garlic powder, salt, and pepper. And just mix it up really well. Heat up a pan to cook the shrimp. Get the pan nice and hot to sear the shrimp. A little bit of oil. Add the shrimp. Cook them in a single layer. They turn pink very quickly. They cook in about 2-3 minutes. After 3 minutes, the shrimp are done. Cook the second batch and we'll set the shrimp aside. Boiling the shrimp is fine too, but it's not going to be as flavorful as this shrimp. Plus you get all the yummy crispy bits. Chop the onion into small dice. We don't need all this onion, just a little bit. It's always nice to have extra chopped onion in the fridge, since we put it in pretty much everything. Cut the tomatoes in half. Chop the parsley. Juice the lemon and orange. We'll make the dressing. Put the lemon juice in a measuring cup, orange juice, mustard, a little salt, ground black pepper. Mix this up and add some olive oil. Taste and adjust the salt if you need to. And our simple dressing is ready. It's a creamy, tangy dressing with a hint of sweetness from the orange juice. Cut the avocado last so it doesn't turn brown. Thank God it's perfect. Sometimes it can be brown in the middle and that's the end of your salad. You can cut it into cubes or just slice it. Let's put the salad together. Some onion, a little parsley, pour a little dressing on top, the shrimp, and some avocado slices. and pour some dressing over top. A really delicious, healthy, and quick salad to make.
That looks so good.
Give this a try and let me know how you like it in the comments below. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.